Do you know most drivers ignore these sounds until it's too late? A strange noise today can turn into a $5,000 repair tomorrow. Or worse, a dangerous breakdown in the middle of traffic. And here's the scary part. Your car usually warns you weeks before something fails. But most people don't know what those warnings sound like. So in this video, we're going over the 5 car noises you should never ignore. If you hear even one of these, your car could be on the edge of a serious failure. Let's start with one that almost everyone has heard, but many people ignore. The high-pitched brake squeal. You press the brake and hear a sharp metallic squeal. Most people assume it's nothing, but that sound is actually your car screaming for help. Here's what's happening. Modern brake pads have a small metal tab built into them. When the pad gets too thin, that tab rubs against the rotor and creates that squealing noise. It's a warning system designed to save you money and keep you safe. Ignore it, and things get expensive fast. Once the pad wears out completely, metal starts grinding directly on the rotor. Now you're not just replacing brake pads, you're replacing rotors too, which can double or triple the cost. Even worse, extreme heat can boil your brake fluid, and when that happens, your brake pedal can suddenly feel soft or go to the floor. Imagine that happening while driving at highway speed. Now, sometimes you might hear this after rain or when the car sits for a few days. That's usually surface rust, and it disappears quickly. But if it keeps happening, don't wait, because the next sound is even more dangerous. The clunk or creak when turning or going over bumps. If your car sounds like an old rusty bed when you turn or go over bumps, your suspension could be failing. At first, it's just annoying. A small creak, a light clunk. But here's what many drivers don't realize. Your suspension keeps your tires pressed firmly against the road. When parts like bushings or ball joints wear out, your tires lose grip. This increases your stopping distance and makes your car unstable during sudden maneuvers. That means in an emergency, your car might not respond the way you expect. And the worst part? This type of wear destroys your tires quickly. You could ruin a full set of tires in a few months. So what sounds like a small issue can quietly drain your wallet and put your safety at risk. Now let's move to a sound that often appears before a major engine failure, the chirping or squealing belt. If you hear a chirping or squealing sound when your engine is running, your belt system could be in trouble. This belt powers critical parts of your car: alternator, water pump, and power steering. If it slips or breaks, your car can shut down within minutes. A chirping sound often means a pulley is misaligned. A long squeal usually means the belt is loose or contaminated. And if that belt snaps while driving, your engine can overheat very quickly. Overheating even once can warp engine components, leading to extremely expensive repairs. This is one of those problems that gives you clear warning. Ignore it, and you may be stuck on the side of the road. But the next sound is even more terrifying. The humming or buzzing that gets louder with speed. This one sounds like a distant airplane or a low humming noise that gets louder as you drive faster. This is often a failing wheel bearing. At first, it's subtle. You may not even notice it, but over time, the noise grows louder and more aggressive. Here's the danger. A bad bearing can overheat and seize. In extreme cases, it can cause the wheel to lock or even detach. Yes, it's rare, but it happens. A simple way to test it: when you gently turn left or right at speed, the sound will change depending on which side the weight shifts to. If you notice that pattern, don't wait, because the last sound on this list can destroy your engine completely. The deep knocking from the engine. This is one of the most feared sounds in the automotive world. A deep rhythmic knocking that gets louder when you accelerate. This usually means internal engine damage, often called rod knock. Inside your engine, metal parts move thousands of times per minute. They rely on a thin layer of oil to prevent direct contact. When that layer fails, metal hits metal with explosive force, and every second you keep driving, the damage multiplies. Eventually, the connecting rod can break and punch through the engine block. At that point, the engine is usually beyond repair. This is the sound that mechanics never want to hear. If you hear it, turn off the engine immediately. The truth is, your car almost always gives warnings before something serious happens. The problem is, most drivers don't recognize those warnings until it's too late. So if you hear any of these sounds, don't ignore them. Acting early can save you thousands of dollars and possibly prevent a dangerous situation.